mahihirapan ang coach nyo? Pakinggan muna natin ang masasabi ng iba nating coaches like Coach Bamboo.
Hey guys, excellent, nice. We've heard this song many times, and I like what you guys did with the song vocally, right? Where you took it, it just sounded really fresh to my ear. I would go with Tanya.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you very much, Coach Bamboo. Kay Coach Sarah naman.
I would not want to be in the shoes of Coach Sarah tonight. It's so hard kasi for this battle, I would go also for Tanya.
Thank you so much po.
Let's hear it from Coach Leia.
The singing, it's pantay-pantay na eh. Magagaling lahat. Ngayon, we're looking at personality, kung naiintindihan mo talaga yung kanta. And magkaiba yung interpretasyon ninyo eh. But both were correct. For this one, you know what? I'm going with Sophia because you had a more angsty, angry delivery of this.
So, Coach Sarah, sino ba para sa'yo ang umangat sa battle round nito?
Hi, I'm so stressed right now. Like, can I have a glass of water, please? Hindi. Sophia, the very first time na narinig kitang kumanta, nakataligod kaming lahat. You captured me with your heartfelt singing. Not to mention na talagang yung range ng boses mo, talagang umaabot talaga, lagpas ceiling. I became an instant fan. Totoo yan. With Tanya naman, umikot ako dahil nakuha mo naman ako sa personality ng boses mo. Yung sumasabay yung boses mo sa rhythm ng kanta. Naniwala ako na ang dami pang maipapakita, masya-showcase nitong artist na ito. Ang pipiliin kong artist, whoo! Ang dami pang maipapakita, masya-showcase nitong artist na ito. Ang pipiliin kong artist, whoo! Ay, si Tanya.
Congratulations, Tanya! Wow! You're going to the next round of the competition.